By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to determine whether three or more points are collinear. You'll also be able to use the gradient formula to find points that lie on a straight line. What are collinear points? Three or more points are said to be collinear if they all lie on the same straight line. So in this figure, we say that the 3 points A, B, and C are collinear. Now, if we draw a horizontal through the point A, horizontal through the point B, draw a horizontal through the point C. What's the angle formed at A? If the angle formed at A is 45 degrees, the angle formed at B will also be 45 degrees. All these three angles will be equal. That's to say that the straight line indicated in green is inclined to one same angle, 45 degrees. So the gradient at the point A is going to be tan 45, which gives you 1. The gradient at the point B is also tan 45, which gives you 1. The gradient at the point C is also equal to 1. The degree of inclination is same at any point on the straight line. That's to say that if you want to use the second formula for gradient, change in y divide change in s, you can use any 2 points on the straight line to find the gradient. When you use the 2 points A and B to find the gradient, the answer gotten will be same as when you use the 2 points A and C to find the gradient. It will also be the same as when you use the 2 points B and C to find the gradient. Finding the gradient of a straight line, we use any 2 points on the straight line to find the gradient. This is what we have established so far, that when you use the 2 points A and B to find the gradient, the answer will be same as when you use the 2 points B and C to find the gradient, because the straight line is inclined to the same angle all through. Now we have a question here. Find whether the point T, V, and Y are collinear. We can write gradient using the 2 points T and V should be the same as gradient using the 2 points V and Y. Okay, so using the point T and V, let the point T be S1, Y1, and the point V be S2, Y2. So we get Y2 minus Y1 divide S2 minus S1. Now the right hand side. For the right hand side, we want to use the 2 points V and Y. So let the point Y be S1, Y1. So gradient Y2 minus Y1 divide S2 minus S1. So now left hand side, minus 5 plus 9 gives you 4, divide 2 plus 8 gives you 10. Right hand side, minus 5 plus 1 gives you minus 4. 2 minus 12 gives you minus 10. Now we see that both sides are the same. Since both sides are the same, it tells us that the 3-point TV our definition is met. We see that left hand side equals right hand side. So it means that all the 3-point TV and Y are collinear. That's to say they all lie on the same straight line. And next question. Find that the points H, K, and L are collinear. Now, if H, K, and L are collinear, then the gradients using the 2 points H and K should be the same as the gradients using the 2 points H and L. Let's work with the left hand side first. Gradients using the 2 points H and K. Now, let the point A be S1, Y1, the point K be S2, Y2. So we get Y2 minus Y1 divide S2 minus S1. And that gives minus 8 divide minus 8, which in turn gives 1. Let us also find the right hand side, gradients using the 2 points H and L. So we let the point L be S2, Y2, H and L. So we have Y2 7 minus Y1 5 divide S2 6 minus S1 12, and that gives 2 divide minus 6, which in turn gives minus 1 out of 3. Now for this question we see that the left hand side is not equal to the right hand side. So it implies the 3 point H, K, and L do not lie on the same straight line or are not collinear. And next question. The points A, B, and C are collinear. Find the value of each. If the 3 points are collinear, then the gradients using the 2 points A and B should be same as the gradients using 2 points A and C. So point A is S1, Y1, point B S2, Y2. So our left hand side becomes H minus 3 divide S2 7 minus 10. Now right hand side, we are using the 2 points A and C. The point A is S1, Y1, so let the point C be S2, Y2. So we get minus 6 minus minus 3 divide 4 minus 10. Now left hand side gives us H plus 3 divide minus 3 equals minus 6 plus 3 gives you minus 3 divide minus 6, which in turn gives minus 6 multiply H plus 3 equals minus 3 multiply minus 3. That's when we cross multiply, this is what we get. And next thing we can do is to divide both sides by minus 6. And that gives minus 3 divided 2. So h is minus 3 divided 2 plus 3. Sorry, minus 3. When you subtract 3 from both sides, you now get your equation this way. So what do we get? What's the final result? We get minus 9 divided 2 minus 4.5. So this is the value for h. So it tells us that the coordinate of b is 7, minus 9 divided 2. And next question. The points E, F, and G are collinear. Find the value of A. Is going to be gradient using the 2 points F and G. Let the point E be S1, Y1. The point S2, Y2. And so the left hand side is going to give us minus 1 minus 5 divide A minus 3A, because let the point, the right hand side, we want to make use of the 2 points F and G. So let the point G be S1, Y1. So for right hand side, we get Y2 minus Y1 divide S2 minus S1. So we get minus 6 divide minus 2A, 12 divide A plus 3. This is same as 3 divide A plus 12 divide A plus 3. When we cross multiply, we are going to get 3A plus 9 equals 12A. And so 9 equals 9. When you subtract 3 from both sides, your working becomes this way. Divide both sides by 9, the value of A is 1. And next question. A straight line meets the x-axis and the y-axis at points A and B. The x-intercept and y-intercept of the line points are minus 6 and 4. The x-intercept is minus 4. Okay, let's have the x-axis here. And the y-axis here. Question says that the x-intercept is minus 6. That is to say that this straight line mentioned in the question meets the x-axis at minus 6. Question also says that the y-intercept is 4. That's to say that the straight line mentioned in the question meets the y-axis at positive 4. So now let's draw the line through these 2 points. The in the question passes through the points, passes through these 2 points on the x-axis and on the y-axis. So now it tells us that the coordinates at the s-intercept is going to be what? The coordinates at the s-intercept is going to be minus 6, 0. What is the coordinate at the y-intercept? The value here is 0. So coordinates at the y-intercept is going to be 0, 4. So now, find whether the point R also lies on the line AB. We are told that the point A is minus 6, 0, the point B is 0, 4. Now there is a third point R. Does it also lie on the same straight line? We should, if we have that gradients using the point A and B is same as gradients using the point A and R, then R lies on AB, or the three points are collinear. So let's show that this equation holds. For left hand side, y2 is 4 minus y10 divide s2 0 minus s1 minus 6. Now using the 2 points A and R, y2 3 minus y1 0 divide s2 6 minus s1 minus 6. Now left hand side is giving us 4 divide 6. Right hand side is giving us 3 divide 12. The left hand side simplifies to 2 divide 3. Right hand side simplifies to 1 divide 4. We see that the left hand side is not equal to the right hand side. So it tells us that the point R does not lie on AB. Does not lie on line AB. See you in the next lesson.